If you've been searching for the F1 2011 game PC download free, you probably clicked on a dozen videos that promised everything and delivered absolutely nothing. No fake countdowns, no endless surveys, and no wasting your time. In this video, I'll show you how to get F1 2011 for PC free, working on Windows 11, with a download that's clean, free from malware and viruses, so you can install it with confidence. And if you grew up playing the classic Codemasters Formula 1 games, get ready for a trip back to the days when Sebastian Vettel was dominating the grid. Fernando Alonso was chasing another championship, and every race felt unforgettable. Let's get you back on the track. Before we get further into the video, a quick disclaimer. This video is provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. I did not create, own, or claim ownership of any of the game files featured. The content presented in this video is not intended to encourage piracy, illegal distribution, or unauthorized downloads in any form. If you're the copyright holder or licensing owner of any game shown on this channel and would like the content removed, please contact me at the email you see on the screen and also the description of this video. Thank you. So now, first things first, security. As you see from my screen, I've already downloaded the F1 2011 game files safely on my PC. Now, I will scan them to show you that they do not have any viruses or malwares on them. I will scan the files in front of you with two of the best security softwares that exist right now, and I use personally, which are Bitdefender and Malwarebytes. This way, you will see for yourself that the files are clean to download. This may take a while, so sit back and relax a little. As you see from the screen, game files are totally clean and safe to download. Now, I'm going to show you how to download the game files correctly. To download F1 2011 game free and safely on your PC, I've created a Google Doc with step-by-step instructions, so you can easily follow each step carefully and understand all the things you need to click and do in order for you to get the game correctly without any problem. I've done this to help you, so you don't get confused about where to go or what to click. The link to this doc you'll find in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video. So go ahead, pause this video, click the link, follow the instructions carefully, and come back here once you get the game files. So now that you have downloaded the game correctly, there's one last thing for me to explain to you: how to install and play F1 2011 on your PC. But I'm not going to bother you too much here, cause this is a very easy and straightforward thing to do. This is because you don't need to install the game at all. The downloaded files come with a pre-installed game already. To play the game, you just need to double-click F1_2011_launcher.exe inside the game files. After starting the game and getting the crack intro, just press Escape to play the game. That's all you need to do to play F1 2011 properly on your computer. One last thing before I say goodbye. In fact, two last things. First things first, I recommend installing all the driver packs that you see here, so that this game works correctly. These driver packs come in help also with other games that you may decide to download, install, and play in the future. It may take some time to install all these drivers, but once you install them once, you'll have them forever in your computer. This way, you won't need to install them every time you decide to download a new game on your computer. And second but not the least, this game wouldn't be possible to play without the work of a guy named ChemicalFlood. So, special thanks to ChemicalFlood for the game files of Formula 1 2011. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, as I will do my best to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next time, take care